Hello everyone, look at this 400 kW diesel generator set. It is powered by Weichai engine paired with Stamford alternator. They are the reliable classic combination. Support brackets and shock absorbers are installed on both sides. It features strong power output and extremely stable operation, perfectly suitable for industrial production, construction, engineering, and various commercial power supply scenarios. Our Dingbo Power, a professional and original manufacturer. Our factory direct sales ensure stable product quality and competitive prices. We welcome all customers to visit our factory and look forward to sincere cooperation.